Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today we'll be taking a look at the brand new Logitech Pop Icon Keys, a compact keyboard with bold aesthetics, comfortable typing, customizable action keys, and colors that just pop. In the box you get the Pop Icon Keys with pre-installed AAA batteries and some user documentation. Taking a quick tour of the keyboard, on top you have the function row with integrated easy switch keys, and on the right you have the customizable action buttons. On the back you have the power switch and the battery compartment. The contoured, low-profile keys of the Pop Icon Keys are designed to fit your fingers perfectly for precise, comfortable, and quiet typing. The 4 customizable action keys allow you to seamlessly transition between work mode and break mode. With work mode, access your most important work apps, and with break mode, open up your favorite music or social media app. You can also customize these action buttons to open any app or software of your choice with Logi Options Plus. Pop Icon Keys has multi-device support, which is enabled by Easy Switch. This allows you to connect your keyboard to 3 different devices and switch between them easily. And as for connectivity, the Pop Icon Keys has Bluetooth support, and you also have the option to connect it to a Logibolt receiver, sold separately. Finally, with the included AAA batteries, you get 36 months of battery life, which allows you to work without any worry. With a beautifully crafted design, compact form factor, customizable action buttons, and a 36-month battery life, the Pop Icon Keys is meant to increase productivity while making your setup pop. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.